Most retirees leave tens of thousands of dollars in Social Security benefits unclaimed, not because they did anything wrong, but because no one ever showed them how to use the system strategically. And that's what we're diving into today. How to turn Social Security from a simple check you collect into a powerful income strategy that supports your freedom plan and your future. Because here's the truth, for most families, Social Security is one of the largest financial assets they'll ever own. Over a lifetime, it can easily total more than $1 million in cumulative payouts. Yet it's often treated as an afterthought, as we'll just file when we hit 65 type of decision. What if we looked at it the way a business owner looks at cash flow, with intention, timing, and with a strategy that supports every other part of your retirement? That's what this conversation is about. Turning what most people see as a government benefit into a cornerstone of your financial independence. When most people talk about Social Security, they focus on one question: when do I start? But claiming age isn't a birthday, it's a decision. Every year you delay benefits past your full retirement age, your payout grows by roughly 8% per year. The increase compounds for the rest of your life, and that growth is guaranteed by law. There aren't many guarantees left in finance, so let's pause and think about that. If you had an investment that paid an extra 8% every year risk-free, would you jump on it? Of course you would. Yet that's exactly what delaying Social Security can do for you. And that's the key. The decision to delay isn't made in isolation. It's coordinated with your portfolio, your income needs, your tax strategy, and even your lifestyle goals. Here's how I explain it to clients. Your claiming age is like a throttle on an airplane. Push it forward and you'll get immediate power. Pull it back a little and you'll extend a runway, allowing for a smoother, longer flight. Both might work, but you need to know your destination before you take off. The problem is most people pick an age and say, well, that's when everybody does it. They look at 62 and think, well, I've paid into Social Security my whole life, I want to start collecting. But the difference, candidly, between 62 and 70 can mean as much as 75% more income for the rest of your life. That's not a rounding error, that's a lifestyle change. So before you pick a date, pause and ask, what am I really optimizing? Is it cash flow for today, or is it flexibility for decades to come? Let me tell you a story about Karen. Karen was a senior executive at a tech company, hardworking, sharp, and absolutely ready to retire at 62. She came into my office one afternoon and said, Glenn, I've done well. I've saved, I've invested, I've got enough to live on. I just don't want to leave money on the table, which I can totally respect. I'm going to start my Social Security right away. Now, that's what most people say. It feels logical. You've paid into it. You deserve it. But when we ran her numbers, we looked at it and see what would happen if she delayed it until 67 and used her investment portfolio for income in the meantime. The difference for Karen in her lifetime benefit was more than $180,000. When we saw that number, we sat back and said, okay, so you're telling me if I wait 5 years, I could essentially buy myself a $180,000 raise? Exactly. We also looked at her tax picture. Those 5 years gave us a window to do Roth conversions, which lowered her future taxable income and taxes on her Social Security later. Karen didn't delay out of fear. She delayed with a plan. And when those checks finally started arriving, they were larger, permanent, and part of her integrated income system that supported her lifestyle and, more importantly, her peace of mind. A year later, she sent me a postcard, believe it or not, from Tuscany, and she wrote, "Best decision ever. Turns out, patience pays off." There are 3 common mistakes that I see cost retirees thousands of dollars, sometimes candidly tens of thousands of dollars. Mistake number 1, claiming too early while you're still working. If you claim before your full retirement age and your income exceeds the earnings limit, roughly $22,000 a year, the government temporarily withholds $1 in benefits for every $2 you earn. You'll get some of it back later, but you've just made your retirement plan too complicated. Mistake number 2, ignoring spousal coordination. If you're married, the two of you have 81 different possible claiming combinations. It's crazy, right? The order and timing can dramatically affect your lifetime income and your survivor benefits. Most couples leave tens of thousands of dollars on a table because they each file separately without coordinating. Last mistake, mistake number 3, forgetting about your taxes. Up to 85% of your Social Security can be taxable depending on your other income. This means that your net benefit could be far lower than you think, especially if you're drawing heavily from IRAs or brokerage accounts at the same time. These mistakes aren't about bad luck. They're about lack of awareness, and awareness combined with planning is what turns confusion into clarity. For couples, Social Security isn't just about 2 checks. It's a system of interlocking parts. Think of it like a dance. One partner's move affects the other's rhythm. Here's why timing matters. When one spouse passes away, the survivor keeps the higher benefit. That means a decision of when the higher earner claims can have 20 or 30-year impact on the surviving spouse's income. I had a couple, let's call them Dave and Maria. Dave earned significantly more throughout his career. He wanted to claim early, but in his words, he said, "We'll both get something and we can invest the rest." But we ran the projections. If Dave started early, Maria's survivor benefit would be permanently smaller for the rest of her life. By waiting until 70, he increased the survivor benefit by over $1,200 a month. That's over $14,000 a year of guaranteed income for as long as she lives. So when I explained it that way, Dave said, "So really, I'm not just delaying it for me, I'm protecting her?" Exactly, Dave. When you coordinate benefits as a team, you transform Social Security from an individual decision into a family protection plan. Social Security isn't something you collect, it's something you coordinate. It's not just a question of when to claim, it's a strategy of how to integrate guaranteed income with your investments, taxes, and your lifestyle goals. When people approach Social Security with that mindset as one lever into a larger plan, everything else starts to click. Your portfolio withdrawals become more predictable, your tax picture becomes clearer, your peace of mind becomes stronger. The people that get this right, they're not lucky, they're intentional. So here's a thought I'll leave you with. Every Social Security dollar you receive represents decades of hard work, discipline, and contribution. Treat that benefit with the same respect you gave your career. Run the numbers, build a strategy, and align it with the life you actually want. You owe that to yourself. Because the goal isn't to simply start receiving checks, it's to build retirement that gives you clarity, confidence, and control.